Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today's topic is describe a river or lake in your country or hometown. The bullet points are which water body is that, how do you know that, and why does this impress you so much? Now I have explained this cue card in detail in my previous video where I have discuss that how you can think logically, how you can gain more ideas about this topic and how you need to think about this topic, because many students think that this topic requires specified knowledge, which is not the case. So I recommend you either to watch my previous video by using the link in the description box, or you can click on this I button. That is very important, where I have discussed this cue card in detail. And in this video, I am just going to share my simple answer. So without wasting the time, let's move ahead. Okay, for answer, you should know what should be the structure of your cue card. First, you need to speak 2 or 3 lines about the background of your cue card. Then you need to introduce your cue card, and after this there should be elaboration. For elaboration, you can take the help of your bullet points. So in this way you can prepare your cue card. All right, let's start with the simple answer. India is famous for its various important lakes and rivers. These are the backbone of human civilization. My favorite river is Satluj River in Punjab. Now, backbone. Backbone means that this is the support. This is a thing which provides the support to the humanity. So this is like a spinal cord which provides support to the humanity. Without water, we can't survive. As I am living in Punjab since my childhood, I usually visit this river with my friends and family. The water, the water of this river is neat and clean. We sit for long hours on the bank of this river and gaze at its mesmerizing beauty. Now, mesmerizing means I am attracted towards the beauty of the river. So, it means also fascinated or captivated. These are the synonyms which you can use instead of mesmerizing, which means to attract. I am attracted towards the beauty of this river or this lake. Okay, then there are many reasons why I am so impressed from this river. Firstly, this is a heaven on earth. It provides me breathtaking views. The environment is so peaceful and relaxed. Whenever I visit, I forget all my worries. Moreover, Boat Club, which is situated on the bank of Satluj, is one of the favorite sport for me. The riverside offers majestic view of the nature. Finally, I'm a social person. Now, in this cue card, I have picked this topic. Otherwise, I have explained 6 ideas which you can speak in this topic. So, try to watch my previous video where I have explained all the 6 ideas about the rivers or lake which you can talk about this on your speaking. Okay, and if I talk about this majestic means impressive. It provides me impressive view. The view is fantastic. Then social person, willing to talk means I'm friendly in nature. I love to make friends. So instead of this line, what can I say? I'm a social person. Okay, then I love to interact with others. This place provides me the opportunity to chat with the people of all ages. Even I have made many friends over there. I love to walk while having conversation with them. To sum up, I could say this place is a paradise for me. Paradise means it's a heaven. This is a place which is very beautiful. It is like a heaven for me. Instead of heaven, I use the word paradise. Hope this answer is clear, which is very simple. Okay, now let's move towards follow-ups. Now here is a list of follow-up which can be asked by the examiner from you, but because you should know that follow-up is a type of discussion. So definitely next question would depend your answer. But there are more chances that out of these at least 2 or 3 questions would be in your exam. So prepare this follow-ups very well. Let's talk about the first question, which is what is the importance of rivers in your country? Now, in this question, you have talked about the importance which I have explained in my video. There are 6 points which I covered. You can watch that video. The link is given and you can click I button here for this video. Then, do you like any activities in water? In this question, you need to talk about your liking, what you like, what are the activities. You can speak about any activity like swimming, or you like to spend quality time in the lap of nature. So you can talk about this type of activities. Then, is it necessary for everyone to learn swimming? Either you could say yes or you could say no. It's your choice, but if you say yes, you need to provide the reason for this. You could say yes, swimming is very much important because there are many health benefits which are associated with swimming. So for that reason, everyone should learn it. But if you are choosing no, then you could say no, I don't think so. This is a necessary thing because there are many other activities which can provide more benefits to the learner. So I think swimming is not so much essential. Again, answer is depends upon your choice. You can choose any. Next question is, should we be concerned about the river pollution? Yes, definitely we should concern about the river pollution. You could give any real example of it. For example, Ganga is too much polluted, the garbage and all the mess, you can talk about that. So definitely the answer of this question should be yes. Okay, I hope these all questions are clear to you. If there is any doubt in any question or you want to ask anything, you can write it on the comment section. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. If yes, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.